Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Ford from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 4th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, it was one of the worst weeks in the past 2 years, especially for the Dow. The Dow was down 665 points on Friday, a bloodbath here. This all got started with the employment situation report, which was out before market open, which showed an increase of 200,000 jobs for the month of January. And wages also rose 2.9% on an annualized basis. So this sparked some fear of rising interest rates and really caused equities to sell off quite strongly here. As you can see, we sold off the whole time right into the close, closing pretty much at the low of the day. The S&P 500 was down about 60 points, while the Nasdaq was lower by 145 points, and even the Russell was down over 32 points on Friday. So pretty crazy stuff. Now, the big question is, what can we expect from here? I mean, where do we go from here? That's the big question on everyone's mind. If you look at the higher time frames here on the weekly or the monthly, we're still in this nice strong uptrend. So although this was a very significant pullback, it's really minor compared to, this upswing we've had over the past several years and even just the past few months. So this at this point is still healthy, and I would expect that we still continue to sell off a little, and I mean, it could be a little more significant. We can drop another 1,000 points here before we get to some real support. But, I don't think this means the bull run is over at this point. That's what I'm getting at, especially if you look at the monthly charts. I mean, it's merely a blip. There's the Dow. There's the S&P 500. There it is. So, this is far from over at this point, but it's definitely something that has gotten everyone's attention. And there's always the possibility of panic setting in when this kind of stuff happens. So what you should expect moving forward is more volatility, bigger range days, more volume, a lot more back and forth. So be prepared for that. Also, if you look at other commodities and other markets like the dollar certainly benefited from those fears of rising rates. This is the US dollar against the CAD, but let's have a look at the dollar index chart. And there we go, nice strong bounce back on Friday there, since the dollar's been selling off quite strongly. The strong dollar pushed gold lower on Friday. So what this added volatility does is create opportunities in many different markets. So although at first glance it may seem like a negative for most traders, this type of activity is a real positive. Now, this coming week, news on tap, we have on Monday, PMI Services Index, ISM Non-Manufacturing Index. On Tuesday, we have international trade. We have Redbook and the JOLTS report. Wednesday, MBA mortgage apps and consumer credit. Thursday, chain store sales, jobless claims, and money supply. And Friday, we have wholesale trade and the Baker Hughes rig count. Of course, earnings season still very much in swing, and that will have an impact on these markets as well. So let's take it one step at a time here, but let's not over panic at this point. Now, before I let you go, I do want to remind you that last Wednesday we did have a session where we introduced our Veracity system for the Tactical Trader platform. And we still have the recording up here that's going to be available for the next few days. Just go to tradingwinds.com/Veracity. That'll take you to this page, and you'll be able to access the recording, which you see here is a little over an hour in length. Immediately. You'll be able to watch it at your leisure. And this is where we not only profile the Veracity strategy, but also the Tactical Trader platform, which comes with a couple of very unique tools that, when combined with Veracity, are very, very powerful. And I wanted to remind you of this because this coming Friday is a live training session that we're going to do on this. So this will give you some time to watch the recording and then decide if you want to join us next Friday or not. Again, it's tradingwins.com/veracity. I really hope you enjoy it and enjoy the Super Bowl. It should be a lot of fun. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.